Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to your PUBG Mobile Lite account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. PUBG Mobile Lite is smaller and compatible with more devices with less RAM. Also, it does not compromise the amazing experience it has given its fans around the world. If you'd like to log into your PUBG account using the PUBG Mobile Lite application, then the first thing to do is to make sure to download the application on your mobile device. Open up Play Store or your App Store and search for PUBG Mobile Lite in the search box. Perform your search and you'll be able to see this application displayed on the screen that says PUBG Mobile Lite. Tap the install button in order to get the application downloaded on your mobile device. Once the application has been downloaded and installed, tap on play in order to open up your application. Now you'll be able to see that it is requesting storage permission to save the game data from PUBG Mobile Lite. Tap on OK in order to access the permissions. Tap on Allow in order to access all of the permissions that will be asked to you along the way. This will be the first interface of your PUBG Mobile Lite application. Now, you can select the login options displayed on the screen. You can choose to log in with your Play Games option, Facebook account, and if you tap on More, you can play as a guest. Select any one login method. If you have signed up for your PUBG account by selecting the Play Games option, tap on Play Games. In my case, I've chosen the Facebook option in order to sign up for my PUBG account, so let me tap on Facebook. You can select the same option that you chose while creating your PUBG account. Now on the next page, tap on Continue as your Facebook name, and soon after you log in with your Facebook account, you'll be able to see that you are in the main homepage of your PUBG game. That is how you'll be able to log into PUBG account using your PUBG Mobile Lite application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.